Hey guys, how is everybody doing? Today I will talk about new US dollar shorts. And if you're a VIP member, you already know that I've sent pending order in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Also, if you are only a free member, personally I've talked about potential new shorts on US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Yeah, so we'll talk about and maybe if I will have that if I will have confirmation on US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, maybe I will delete this one from here because it has invalidated the first resistance here. So right now US dollar Singapore dollar is almost to hit this supply zone as resistance, so I'm looking for potential shorts. I hope I will be able to send my new setup and trade here in US dollar versus the Singapore live here. So don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and don't forget that past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So please guys, also if you have questions, I'm waiting for your messages. In less than 9 minutes we'll have unemployment claims. This could bring some volatility, some action in the short term on the US dollar. So yeah, I will talk about this this indicator as well. So US dollar Singapore dollar, I've talked about this market during my or actually in my daily video analysis. And right now, yeah, I really want to see something here in this supply zone as confirmation before I will go short, because yeah, I want to catch a potential new downside movement. Personally, I already have that pending order in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar for the VIP group, for the VIP members. I will come back with my update into the VIP group. So yeah, if you are not a VIP member and if you want to get my trades, my trade management, my VIP content, you can access the link posted right below this video to join the VIP group or the VIP groups. Okay, or maybe you are interested in cryptocurrencies. We have different channels for cryptocurrencies or swing trading. So US dollar Singapore dollar, so this could be my next trade. And if you're a VIP member, you already know the thought process behind that pending order in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So let's take a look. Dollar index. Dollar index, yeah, ignore it, this downtrend line, so I will delete it. And if it reaches that's why guys, if it reaches this supply and also this resistance zone, it could turn to the downside. And if this scenario will take shape, then most likely US dollar versus the Singapore dollar could turn to the downside as well. That's why personally I want to maybe to catch a potential downside movement, a potential new sell-off on that market. And yeah, right now I'll have to wait. I'll wait because better than expected US data could force the dollar index to jump above this supply, to invalidate the supply, and maybe I will look for US dollar shorts from here. Okay, but worse than expected US data could force the dollar index to turn to the downside. Okay, so yeah, probably unemployment claims could be decisive in the short term. Okay, tomorrow ISM services PMI as high impact event. Okay, final services PMI as well. Eurozone economic data could have an impact as well in the short term. So let's take a look also Euro USD. If you have questions guys, please don't forget also to like the video. Euro USD, strong sell-off after reaching this resistance. I believe that I've talked about this market, about the potential new downside movement here on Euro USD. After reaching supply, okay, it has reached the supply zone, and then boom, it has turned to the downside. And right now, maybe on lower time frames, if you take a look, we'll have something like a demand. But yeah, right now it's still far above this demand zone, so it remains to see. Right now I don't have a setup, I don't have a trade on this market. British pound US dollar, British pound US dollar. One moment, Sorry about that. I believe that maybe I have an issue with my chat. Let's take a look. No. It seems that everything is okay. Okay. Yeah. So British pound US dollar, no, I don't have a setup. Maybe here probably temporary rebounds could bring us something, but right now no. Maybe also from around these former lows, maybe we could have a rebound, but yeah, I still have to wait. But right now I already have a pending order and I'm looking for potential shorts on US dollar Singapore dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar, because we are right now it has reached supply area. Yeah, in less than 4 minutes we'll have the economic data, and then personally I would like to see here something like a false breakout or something, and then boom, because after this strong rally we cannot exclude a potential downside movement. Okay, so US dollar, Japanese yen, let's take a look also here. Okay, please take a look. US dollar, Japanese yen, it has reached supply as well, former high as resistance, and if it stays below it, below 136.91, only to retest here, we can look maybe for potential shorts as well in the on lower time frames. Let's take a look, lower time frames. So we had the first reaction, and right now the price came back. So yeah, personally I really want to catch potential US dollar shorts today here during this live webinar. Please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to, if you want to ask, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, that's why I'm here. Because if you don't have questions, maybe I will end this webinar, because I don't want to talk here alone. Let's have a conversation, guys. Defordine, hi man, hi, how are you? How are you today? Yeah, yesterday, guys, unfortunately, US oil, I had to manage my short position. I've closed it. I am good. How are you? Okay, I'm fine. So yesterday, yeah, I've managed my position and I've closed it for a small profit around break even, something like this. And please take a look what happened after closing my position, only because the US crude oil inventories came in better than expected. Okay, below expectations, far below the previous reporting period. That's why gold rallied. I've talked about US oil today in that market breakdown video. And right now, please take a look. I'm looking for longs. After this strong rally, the price could only drop a little to retest maybe this imbalance before jumping higher. So I'm looking for longs after taking out the resistance, after invalidating the supply. Okay, gold, please. What do you think will happen on British pound, Japanese yen? Dave, I will take a look on Japanese yen as well. Thank you. Thanks, bro. Can speak about gold. Let's take a look on gold. Less than 1 minute, so let's refresh. It's currently hitting a level of resistance, gold. So less than 1 minute before the economic data. Yeah, it has reached this supply here, guys. Maybe I will delete my drawings, but yeah, I want to talk about gold here. Yeah, after escaping from this down channel here, Okay, it has rallied, it has validated here its breakout, upwards movement. It has found resistance at the 23.6 retracement level, supply zone as well. Personally, I will remove my drawings because right now, and if I will take a look here, after reaching that that supply, in my opinion, taking out here, this is what I want here right now. Maybe let's refresh the economic calendar because we already have the economic data. So yeah, better than expected data, better than expected US data. So right now, if yeah, maybe US dollar, Singapore dollar rallied. Yeah, it has rallied, but let's wait. And personally, I'll wait to see how it will react. Maybe here. In the short term, also, as I've said, the dollar index, if the dollar index will stay below this level, I will look for US dollar shorts from here. Or if the dollar index will be invalidated, or if this supply will be invalidated, then the dollar index could approach and reach this supply and then to turn to the downside. So yeah, right now let's take a look. USD CAD. Yeah, if this setup will be invalidated, I will come back with an update into the VIP group, or if I will decide to, I don't know, to sorry, USD CAD, or if I will decide to, sorry, if I will decide to maybe, I don't know, to move my entry or to do something. So right now we'll have to wait. USD, Singapore dollar, after better than what? USD, Singapore dollar. Shit. What's wrong with me? Okay, so also here, if US dollar Singapore dollar invalidates this this supply, probably I will look for shorts here after reaching this new supply. Okay, so yeah, I'm still looking, and I really hope that I will be able to sell to go short on the US dollar. But right now, better than expected data, unemployment claims came in better than expected. 190,000 90,000 better than expected in the previous week, but yeah, let's wait, because also about gold, yeah, it has reached this strong supply, sell-off, rebound. In my opinion, only taking out 1,830 could open the door for a potential downside movement. Okay, but right now let's wait. So this is my opinion about gold. In the short term, this is what happened. Rebound after this massive sell-off, but right now it has reached a supply. But if it stays above 1,830 to accumulate maybe more bullish energy, then it could come back here, and staying near this supply could signal an imminent breakout, upside breakout, and the potential further growth, upside continuation. Okay, Godspeed Freeman, buenos dias. Hi, how are you? Could you look at GBPUSD? Good long potential. British pound, US dollar. I don't know. I told you guys that right now, I don't know, I don't have a setup on this market, British pound, US dollar, and right now, no, I don't want to buy it. Okay, maybe we have support and a demand zone here, but no, I don't want to buy it right now, only if I'll have confirmation, because I don't want to place buy at market, buy limit or something here, because the price could take out the support levels, could invalidate the demand zone, and could extend its sell-off. Okay, so no, I don't want to buy it here. Okay, right now I'll have to wait to see how it will react in this around the former lows, because yeah, the US data came in better than expected. That's why, guys, maybe the US dollar could appreciate versus rivals. Okay, so right now, no, I don't have a long opportunity. on British pound versus the US dollar. Okay. Okay. One moment, because I have to take a look on something. Okay. If you have more questions, guys, more questions, I will take a look on all markets. On all markets. Yeah. All markets, guys. So that's why guys, that's why personally my MT4 doesn't have US 100, only US 30, US 500. I don't know, you can look for something like this, maybe for Nasdaq. Yeah, Godspeed Freeman. Or for Tech 100 or something. Something like this. Okay. Okay. Hi, I've received a signal on US. What is the name of the pair? It's US 100, guys. Yeah. It's Nasdaq. Okay. US 100. And you can find it, I don't know, let's take a look on my real account. So yeah, personally I have it like this in my real account. And the X 100, okay. Maybe you will have it, I don't know, US 100, you will have Nasdaq or something, yeah. This is Nasdaq. This is US 100 here on 8 cap, guys, right? Of course, if you want to follow that that trade, I can find it. Long on GBP, Japanese yen. I don't know. I will take a look on Japanese yen right now. Okay, while I'll wait for the US dollar. Let's take a look again on the dollar index. Yeah, it has reached the supply. As yeah, I've talked about this scenario today. Let's wait to see how it will react in this also confluence area here. Confluence area by the intersection between the uptrend line and 105.09. False breakout through a confluence area could signal potential movement in an opposite direction, but we'll have to wait. Okay, we'll have to wait to see how it will react here. USD, Singapore dollar, it's still here. It continues to challenge this supply, and yeah, I'm looking for shorts. I really want to go short. Okay, let's invite more members before I will talk about the Japanese yen. Yeah. Okay. So right now, personally, I'm still keeping that that pending order in US dollar, Canadian dollar, and because maybe I will only move my stop loss a little higher above maybe the current high or something. But yeah, I will come back with let's take a look on that market. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, please take a look here. Okay, so this is my setup, this is my pending order, and yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react here around this this supply. Maybe I will have a new entry, maybe I will move my stop loss higher or something, my take profit. So yeah, probably I will manage my my pending order, but right now I'm still keeping it. I'm still keeping that pending order, and yeah, because maybe I will have something. Maybe I will have something. Really good. Okay, sorry, I will take a look on your messages right now. So long on British pound, I don't know, it is called US Tech. I told you guys, yeah, maybe on MetaTrader 4 you will find it at US 100 or as Nasdaq, US Tech or something. Okay, thanks. Silver, please, let's take a look on silver as well. On we'll take a look also on Japanese yen. So silver first of all, and then sorry, silver. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like the video, guys. This will be very helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. So let's start with 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour. It has ignored all these former lows or key levels or something, so the pressure is still high in the short term. Right now, yeah, the DXY it's bullish. That's why we had this sell-off. Let's take a look again also on gold. Yeah, gold continues to stay near 1,830. Let's wait also here. So about gold, maybe we'll have something, but only here after reaching maybe this zone, this imbalance. Okay, and yeah, if guys, if the US dollar will continue to appreciate, okay, if the DXY will jump higher, then most likely silver could drop. But if the dollar index will drop, I've talked about a potential new sell-off in on the dollar index. If the dollar index will drop, then maybe silver and gold could develop a new bullish momentum. So right now, let's use maybe something like this. So we have a pattern here, a channel or a flag as potential bullish pattern, a potential and yeah, maybe we can look also for longs here, but I'll wait to see. I'll wait, because if the price stays below the downtrend line, then it could come back down to retest this zone and then to develop a new bullish momentum, or staying above 20.695 and registering here only false breakdowns, value breakout, could bring us maybe potential long opportunities, and this scenario could take shape if the DXY will turn to the downside. Okay, so yeah, let's wait, guys. So yeah, I will update the VIP group about my USD CAD because I've moved my stop loss. One moment. And then we'll continue to talk about Japanese yen. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about the Japanese yen. First of all, yen basket. Let's talk about okay, silver. Any possible alternative entries to or short on EuroCAD? I don't know. Had a great entry this morning, but closed it prematurely. Joe, I don't know. Maybe I will take a look on that market as well. Did you say anything about gold? I just got here gold longs to be specific. I talked about gold. You can watch also the webinar, this video later in our YouTube channel. Okay. We have a playlist, live webinars. So right now, no, actually, if the price of gold will take out 1,830, then it could maybe develop a potential sell-off. This scenario will take shape only if the DXY continues to grow. Your thoughts on GBPUSD buy? The creator buy, I don't know. So please guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. If I will place a trade, I will share it in the VIP group. I will share the thought process, the rationale, also my trade management if you want to follow it. Okay, we still have areas to mitigate on the top. You think that can happen still? Indeed, news. Yeah. Okay, I've talked about gold and I've said that it has reached the supply, but yeah, a potential. But as I've said, okay, I don't know if it will come back to retest here before coming back down or something. But if it stays here above 1,830 to move sideways, then it could signal a potential new rally, a potential new bullish momentum, and probably it will take out also the supply. It will invalidate this supply zone. So yeah, this is my opinion. But you can see that we already had a new sell-off here, probably a new imbalance on lower time frames, a new supply. The price retested it, so a new lower low here could signal a potential downside movement. Okay, it remains to see, guys. It remains to see. Yeah. It remains to see. Let's wait for the dollar index. Okay, only false breakout with great separation, but it continues to challenge that supply. Taking out this supply here, okay, this resistance may signal potential further growth towards this area here on dollar index. And if this scenario will take shape, gold should drop. Okay, in my opinion, only if the dollar index will turn to the downside, then gold could jump higher. Okay, so we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. US dollar, Singapore dollar, and yeah, it continues to challenge here. Let's take a look. Maybe we'll have something. But right now, I'm still keeping that pending order in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. I don't know if I want to place right now, but yeah, definitely I will have a trade, a setup, a new pending order, maybe also here in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar from here or from here. Okay, but right now I don't have confirmation. It has only reached the supply. We had a first reaction. So yeah, I'll wait. Yeah. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like the video. US oil. Yeah, it has tested the price of US oil came back to retest the broken levels and maybe to retest this imbalance, strong buyers here. Okay, but yeah, maybe I would like the price to come back here and then maybe to buy it from around these levels or something. with a potential stop loss or something. But right now, this is not a trading recommendation. This is not a trading signal. This is only my opinion here. Everything is only for educational purpose. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, is there any possibility you could take a look on Euro USD? I've talked about that market. Dollar index will continue up or down. What is this? Possible buy. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I've talked about the dollar index a lot today, also in my videos today. Euro USD, yeah, it continues to maybe still under downside pressure. Is still strongly bearish in the short term because the DXY is still bullish. It continues to challenge the broken uptrend line. It continues to challenge this supply. As I've said, value breakout here could signal potential further growth, and if this scenario will take shape, then Euro USD should approach and reach this demand zone. Okay, so this is my opinion about the dollar index, about the Euro USD. Right now I don't have a setup, I don't have a trade, and yeah, after this, yeah, it has reached here supply, okay, as this block as a resistance. Strong sellers here, boom, sell off, only because the dollar index rallied in the short term, and right now it could approach and reach this zone, and if it only reaches this zone here and to retest it, as long as it stays above 1.0565, it could still rebound, okay, but invalidating this zone may signal potential further drop, at least towards this zone, this area. Right now is still strongly bearish, as I've said. Better than expected US data earlier today, so that's why Euro USD, so Forex Factory again, the economic calendar, so better than expected US data earlier. That's why the US dollar is still bullish, is still strongly bullish. Okay, so that's why guys, that's why. And yeah, you already know, guys, from my, yeah, I know that I'm saying a lot that you already know, but yeah, personally, I've told you all the time that personally, when the DXY is bullish, I don't want to be long on gold, for example. I don't want to be long on silver, for example, right? And also, yeah, gold, because personally I'm using this correlation. Yeah, and I've said also here about gold. If it takes out the if the price of gold invalidates the demand zone, if the price takes out this this support, value breakdown, boom, a sell-off here maybe on gold. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, a bearish closure, maybe followed by a rebound to test retest, could bring us short opportunities. Yeah. This is my opinion about gold. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's talk about Japanese yen, because it seems that you are interested in Japanese yen. So personally, if my pending order in US dollar Canadian dollar will be invalidated, I will look for something else in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, or maybe gold or US oil, or yeah. I'm still hunting for potential new setups, trades. So Japanese yen basket, rebound, sell-off, right now sideways movement. After taking out and invalidating maybe this demand zone here, maybe I will look for potential Japanese yen shorts. Potential Japanese yen shorts. So let's take a look. British pound, Japanese yen. Someone asked me about this market. One moment. I will take a look. So long on GBP, Japanese yen. I don't know. I don't know. So let's take a look here. Yeah, A really strong imbalance here. Maybe that's why we had the sell-off. But right now you saw that the yen basket moved somehow sideways, so that's why this market moved somehow sideways as well. Let's take a look on lower time frames. Yeah, it has reached this imbalance maybe here, rebound. Maybe I would like the price to also to retest the uptrend line before turning to the upside. It looks more short for me. On what market? Gold, British pound, Japanese yen, or what? On what market? Yeah, so yeah, I would like the price to come back here to retest. Maybe right now, no, I don't want to do anything maybe here right now. Unfortunately, let's take a look on other Japanese yen pairs. Another Japanese yen pairs. Also here, if euro Japanese yen will come back down towards this zone, toward this area, I will look maybe for longs, for new longs. Only false breakout of 145.47. Also here, this strong imbalance here. Maybe we have strong sellers below that that key level. But maybe I would like to see test retest before turning to the downside or something here as well. I don't have something really good, because I don't have something like a clear direction here on yen basket. Okay, in the short term, because yeah, the bias is still bearish. Maybe the downside pressure is still present. So that's why personally I've said that maybe I will look only for Japanese yen shorts, but maybe temporary rebounds. We cannot exclude temporary rebounds. Gold is holding the support zone. Yeah, but yeah, we still have to wait. I don't have something really good for now on gold. This is the thing, I don't want maybe to place a sell stop, because maybe the price could only register a false breakdown and then boom, it could rebound. But maybe I will come back with something. Also here in gold. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look here as well. Yeah, maybe here Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, this market is bullish. It is bullish. After taking out the former high, maybe I would like to see a test retest before extending its growth towards this zone. Yeah. Bitcoin is still under pressure in my opinion, after developing this after this sell-off, rebound. This flag pattern could represent the potential downside continuation pattern. Let's wait to see how it will react here around the uptrend line. We have a demand zone maybe, but the pressure is still high. Okay, after retesting here, sideways movement, strong imbalance, so strong sellers maybe here, and right now it has turned to the downside again, activating this pattern, this flag could signal potential new sell-off towards the medium line, towards the inside sliding line, or staying here above the uptrend line could signal potential growth again. Let's wait. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, GBPUSD is going down. Perfect. Personally, I'm not trading on those markets. I don't know. What are you trading on that pair? The British pound or the Canadian dollar? Ethereum as well. Ethereum maybe signaled exhausted buyers. Exhausted buyers, false breakout, retest, and right now it's under pressure. It is under pressure. Also after reaching this zone, strong imbalance also here. Yeah, the price action signaled that maybe we could have a correction or something. So right now a sell-off, here a rebound. Maybe this could represent only a bearish pattern or something. So yeah, also Ethereum could come back down maybe in the short term. Let's wait here. What? Gold is back at almost 1,833. So what? Yeah, we are in a demand zone. False breakdown, great separation. Okay, it could signal potential rally, but we still have to wait. I don't want to buy it here because I already have maybe a supply here, maybe I don't know, maybe I would like to only to sell it or something. But yeah, right now I've told you guys, if it stays here above 1,830, it could still maybe accumulation, a sideways movement, consolidation, accumulation could signal that maybe the price attracted more bullish energy, attracted more buyers before jumping higher. Okay, so dollar index again. Yeah, dollar index right now maybe we'll have only a false breakout. Let's wait, and if we'll have only a false breakout here, then probably it will turn to the downside. That's why personally I'm still keeping my my pending order in US dollar, Canadian dollar, and personally I still waiting for confirmation in US dollar versus the no, personally I've already moved my my stop loss for the VIPs. So also I'm still looking here. I'm still waiting for confirmation US dollar, Singapore dollar. I told you I want to go short. Yeah, maybe on this market as well. Okay, so please guys, when you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame and your levels. I will only reply if I will see something like this in your message. Time frame, if you are a bull, a bear, and your levels. Okay, thank you guys. Not only GBPUSD buy or sell, or no, I don't know, maybe it will be good for a sell on 4 hours, it will be good for buys on 15 minutes. So no. Okay, so if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Okay guys, it seems that you don't have questions. Personally I will come back later with yeah, let's take a look on US30 for example, if you want. But I've told you, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me what you are looking at. US30, in my opinion, also about US equities, only if the dollar index will drop, then US equities could rebound. Okay, and if the dollar index will extend its growth, then US equities will drop, in my opinion. So personally I'm using this correlation. When the dollar index is bullish, I don't want to go to be long on US equities. If the dollar index drops, yeah, US equities could grow, and yeah, I'm using this potential correlation. Okay, thank you guys for being here. Personally, I'll come back with my new trade, maybe in US oil, in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar for the VIPs, for the VIP group, and I don't know about US 30. You will have to wait for an update about that trade. That's not my trade. And US 30, it has ignored 32,806 as a support. Maybe it has signaled strong downside pressure, strong sellers. I don't know. And I've told you guys, yeah, right now it has reached maybe this zone, this area, former lows, potential demand zone, support levels. But as I've said, guys, personally, I'm using that correlation with the dollar index, and yeah, US 500 as well. US 500, it has ignored also here 39.48. Yeah, maybe from here, maybe here we have something like a demand zone, because we had an imbalance after sideways movement. So, but right now. We had a downside movement and sell-off on US equities because the dollar index rallied, in my opinion. So personally, I'm using this correlation, and I've told you guys that if the DXY will take out this resistance, if it will, if the dollar index invalidates the immediate supply, jumping closing, a bullish closure above 105.15 may signal potential further growth, and potential further growth could signal that also maybe the US equities could drop deeper or something, right? In my opinion. So personally, I'm using this correlation. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. What? My broker doesn't have US oil. I don't know. What brokerage company are you using? Because this is, let's take a look here on 8 cap. This is US oil. Yeah. This is US oil. This is Brent oil, UK oil, right? So maybe you should take a look again. In my opinion, Vantage, personally, I believe that you have US oil. It is VTI. Yeah. Crude oil, US oil, I don't know. But personally, I don't think that Vantage don't have crude oil, US oil, or VTI or something. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for being here. I'm still waiting here for confirmation on the dollar index before I will send a new trade in US dollar, Singapore dollar, maybe also US oil. Yeah. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like the video. Don't forget that personally I will come back with my updates about US dollar, Canadian dollar, about that pending order, and I will come back with new trades, more trades for the VIP group, because personally, yeah, I'm sending my trades, my VIP content into the VIP group, because the VIPs are paying a subscription to get to have access to all my trades, VIP trades, high probability trades, and that's why guys, I don't know, yeah, I'm sending only small part also in the free group, but yeah, personally I'm sending 80% of my work in the VIP group. Okay, thank you guys. Maybe see you tomorrow for a new live trading session, and I really hope that I will have new setups and high probability trades also tomorrow to trade these setups and to place new trades here live. Right now I'm still waiting for that US dollar Singapore dollar a reaction, and maybe after this reaction maybe I will have a potential short opportunity as well. US oil as well. Whoa, we already had that rally on US oil. Shit. I told you guys that it could only retest this imbalance before jumping higher. Maybe I will still have something. I will look on the US oil. But the thing with the US oil is that the price could be different from here, from TradingView to the trading to the MetaTrader 4 platform, and that's why yeah, maybe also if you want to follow it, it will be really hard for you to understand. But yeah, as you already know, personally, every time I'll place a trade and I'll send my trade into the VIP group. I'll send the thought process and the rationale, because it's important for you to understand the price action, okay? And then you will, even if the price will be different when trading CFDs, if you understand the thought process, yeah, and if it makes sense to you, you can follow it if you want, okay? Okay, thank you guys. I will come back with more trades later. Have a great day. Bye bye.